짜잔! Houston, we got a problem over here. People are going in and out of this snack bowl, licking their fingers left and right because they cannot stop eating this snack. My husband calls this snack the crab chips. For real. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your Korean ramyeon and 새우깡 shrimp chips and turn it into this like finger licking good, can't stop eating, delicious snack at home. And guess what? This ramyeon 새우깡 snack recipe is so good that you're gonna double, triple the portion and give it out as gifts to your favorite people. Yes, it is that good. 오늘의 레시피. 아주 간단하고 맛있는 생라면 새우깡 스낵 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. First, I want you to preheat your oven to 220 degrees. Now you could add any combination of your snack mix. Here I have half a cup of your nut mix. And we're going to put it on our baking sheet with parchment paper on the bottom. And here I have 1 cup of ChexMix. And again, you could add your combination of pretzels and crackers and whatever you like. 1 cup to our pile. And here I have 1 cup of 새우깡, shrimp chips. And 새우깡 is your OG Korean snack that every Korean grew up eating and still eats today. And I actually have a video on 새우깡 review because it comes in other flavors and it also includes a beer hack. And that video will be listed in the description box below, so do check it out. And then we're gonna add it to our pile. And I want you to mix it up with your hands like so. And then distribute it evenly. And I want you to leave some room here on the side for our ramyeon. Now, when it comes to Korean instant ramyeon, Shin Ramen is the most popular ramyeon, and this one's spicy, and I love it. You could also use Hamgyang Ramen, which is the OG, and it's older than Shin Ramen. And if you don't like spicy ramen, you could also use Ichiban original flavor. I know it's not Korean, but it's also very popular among Koreans here in the States. Now, what I want you to do is before you open the package, I want you to break it up with your hands like so. Now make sure to not overdo it so it turns into complete crumbs. Then open it, and then what I want you to do is pour it like so right here on this side. Take our soup packets out and then kind of spread it evenly like that. So you always want to have like clusters of this size like so. This is so good as is with nothing on it. Here I have 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and what we're going to do is mix it all up and then put it on our ramyeon pieces like so. I know, you're like, what? Butter on uncooked ramyeon noodles? Yes, it's so good. And you're gonna thank me, trust me. Turn over all the pieces so that each cluster of our ramyeon gets the same amount of butter love on the other side. Then once our oven is preheated at 220, we're gonna place our sheet of our delicious snack right in the middle rack and let this warm up at 220 for 20 minutes. And 220 is the perfect temperature to warm up your food without cooking it. And here is our ramyeon soup powder packets. So we're gonna take our dehydrated vegetable packet and put it in a bowl like so. Then our broth packet and put it in here, get everything out. Then we're gonna add half a tablespoon of 곶소금, and 곶소금 is your crushed sesame seeds. Now, if you have sesame seeds at home, this is incredibly easy to make, and it's such a great seasoning ingredient, and I have a video recipe on how to make this, so make sure to check it out, and it will be in the description box below. And to this, we're gonna add our crushed sesame seeds, 곶소금, like so. Then we're gonna just mix it all up. Ooh, smells salty and spicy already. It smells so good. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like buttery saltiness. Wow, that smells awesome. We're gonna take our powder mixture that we made earlier and just sprinkle it right on our ramyeon crumbles. Oh my goodness, it smells so good in here. Now we have about half of the powder left. Then we just wanna sprinkle it on the rest of our sheet pan like that. The next part is just to mix it all up. There we have it. Then carefully pick this up and we're gonna pour it in our snack bowl. Then you wanna pick up a few pieces of your seaweed, kim, and cut them into thin strips. Then mix it all up one more time. And there we have it, look at that. Now to avoid people going into the snack bowl with their fingers, always have a serving spoon ready and these mini bowls so everyone could serve themselves without sharing, you know, saliva. Now, once it cools down to room temperature, you could put them into these little cute snack bags and give them as gifts to your favorite people. Oh, it smells so good. You know what's about to happen? Snack attack, where you can't stop once it hits the lips. I'm gonna taste the ramyeon cluster piece with you where we added some butter. Your guests don't have to know that you added butter. It's our secret. If you've never had uncooked dried ramen noodles before, you're welcome. Sometimes it is better than potato chips, and I love potato chips, but I'm just saying it is that delicious because it's salty and I feel the spiciness from our ramyeon soup powder packet. Very nice. And then our 새우깡. You know why 새우깡's so good? It's already gone. It's light, airy, crispy, and it literally dissolves in your mouth. And then we put our soup powder packet on it. Oh yeah, the heat's kicking in. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna have it with a piece of nut and some seaweed and one of the ChexMix snack. Oh, I just wanna lick my finger on camera right now. It's just like, ooh, so good. And you know what would make this even better? Some light, crisp beer. Yes. You know it's gonna be good. Ah, so refreshing, so yummy. And then you pick up another piece and then you put it in your mouth. Don't go anywhere. I need you to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab and select Korean Fusion or Korean snack recipe playlist so you and I can make more delicious Korean snacks together, as well as authentic Korean dishes that you could easily replicate at home. So I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell. And perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.